roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. Hey guys, welcome back to another song tutorial at Pass the Guitar Live. My name is David Cordero, and in this video, we're gonna be working on the song Use Somebody by Kings of Leon, an awesome hit from their 2008 album titled Only by the Night. You should definitely check them out. And the best part about this lesson is that we're basically only gonna need 3 chords to play this entire song. It cannot get better than that, right? Well, so if you are ready, let's waste no more time and dive right in. As per usual, we're gonna start by taking a look at the chords we're gonna be using in this song. We're gonna need C major, we're also gonna need C over E, which is basically C major, but with no access, so we're actually gonna play from the 6th string down. And I highly recommend you put emphasis on that low E string, the 6th. That's what makes the chord be inverted, be C over E, which is the first inversion of the chord. And then we're also gonna need F major, and obviously I'm using a F bar chord here. You can use any variation of F that you know that you feel comfortable. And last but not least, we're gonna need A minor. You're probably asking yourself, David, you said 3 chords. Come on, C over E and C major are basically the same chord. All you're gonna do is just transfer more of your emphasis to the low E string, and this time is even easier to play because you don't have to skip the low E string. So basically, we're only playing 3 chords, right? C major with C over E being pretty much the same chord, and then we have F major and A minor. 3 chords, like I said, and the best part is we don't need any capos. We're already playing in the original key, so you can play along with Kings of Leon. Now that we have the chords, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. All right, look at it here. Super nice and simple. It could be a little complicated to get this second hit because it's on the upbeat, on the 2nd 8th note of the 2nd beat. But as soon as you hear the rhythm, it will make it clear. So first of all, listen to the way that I'm counting and listen also to the sound of the strumming pattern. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Down, 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 2, down, down. That's it. Nice, right? And the best part, we're only strumming down. Super nice. Very rock, alternative rock. Really, that's the vibe we're going for here. Let's plug in a chord. Let's use C major. You can even try to use C over E if you want. It's basically the same thing, right? Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Down, down, down. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Cool, right? And if you like the content we bring to you in this channel, don't forget to support us by subscribing, clicking on that bell, and liking this video. And if you have any requests for any content you would like to see us covering in this channel, leave us a comment and we'll get right on it. Well, now that we have the chords and the strumming pattern, it's time for us to take a look at the form of this song. Let's do it! And when it comes to the form, although this song has a bunch of different parts, we're basically only gonna need this chord progression here. Look at that. It's only 8 measures. Let's separate these 8 measures into 2 4-bar phrases. The first line, the top line, and the bottom line, because each one of those lines get repeated. So the first line, you start with a full measure of C, and then as the second measure we have a full measure of C over E, and then we end those that first 4-bar phrase with 2 measures of F. First one, second one. Obviously we have to repeat, but just for the purpose of going through these measures, let's head down to the bottom line, where we start with a full measure of A minor, followed by a full measure of C, and then once again ending with 2 measures of F major. So basically, you're always going to be playing 2 measures of F major in the end. You're either doing the top line where you play C major first and then you do C over E and then 2 measures of F, or you're playing the bottom line where you're playing A minor first and then C and then 2 measures of F. Well, you know what? If you actually really like this song is perfect for you to work on your F chords. And if you are starting to learn how to use F bars, try this song. It's gonna be great because it's gonna make you work out a lot because you're gonna have to play a bunch of Fs. Well, now that we have that, let's plug in that strumming pattern that we already worked on and just hear this nice chord progression. And for this one, we're gonna do everything. We're gonna play the first line 2 times as it's written, and the bottom line 2 times as well. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 1, 2, and 3. Repeat C, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, F, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3. Here we go to the bottom line, A minor, 2 and 3, 4, C major, 2 and 3, 4, F, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 3, and back to A minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4, C major, 2 and 3, 4, down, 2, down, down, 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's all we need to play this song. So let's do a playthrough where I'm gonna sing a verse and also a chorus, and we're gonna plug in that whole thing that we just learned, the chord progression that we learned, and the chords and the strumming pattern. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. 2 and 3, 4. Painted faces fill the place I can reach. You know that I could use somebody. 1, 2, and 3, 4. You know that I could use somebody. 2 and 3, 4. That's it. That was a verse. Now let's try to do a chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Someone like you. Oh, oh, oh. Someone like you. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1. Someone like you. Somebody. Someone like you, somebody. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned a lot. And don't forget, if you want to be part of an awesome community, you know where to go. Join us over at www.passtheguitar.live. There is a link in the description of this video. My name is David Cordero, and I'll see you guys on another video.